health informatics, it's a multidisciplinary field. So I believe I had the experience to teach nursing informatics specialization and multi-professional specialization. So the richness is to put all professionals together, because the exchange of experience is much bigger. So I believe that must be content to physicians, to nurses, but must be multi-professional, not specific for each professional. No, to put together private, public, vendors, engineers, developers, nurses, physicians, pharmacists, and cognitive care professionals are much more, you can reach much more success and developing much better solutions if you combine all those knowledges field in the health informatics professional.
The development of nursing informatics in Latin America is still slower than the other countries. Mm-hmm. Which are the main challenges in order to overcome this gap in the future?
The first, I think, it's the recognition of the importance in technology to help us to provide patient care. Also the number of nurses. All countries in Latin America, they don't have enough number of nurses comparing to Denmark, New England, US. So the density of nurses are much higher according to WHO in those countries. So I believe nurses in Latin America, they are much busy, they do their job, but they don't document well, they don't follow some process as much as they can. And also, the field of nursing informatics must be recognized. One challenge, for instance, that we have in Brazil is to have health informatics as a profession recognized by law to the Ministry of Labor. Mm-hmm. Okay? So if I am in the private sector, I can contract a nursing, specialize in nursing informatics, and I will contract the nursing, just those that are specializing in nursing informatics, to contribute to the health information system. But if I am in the public sector, I can contract just a nurse, because there doesn't exist the profession. So nurses must work on that as physicians and other fields. But nursing informatics in this Latin America and South America countries, one big barrier, I believe, and I faced that when I was sharing the group, was the language. Because most of countries that develop programs in nursing informatics are in English. And language for Brazil, it's a problem, but for other Latin America countries that speak Spanish, it's higher, it's more difficult. It's like the Americans, they speak in English and they believe they don't need to speak and to understand any other language. So that happens in Latin America as well. Once you speak Spanish, you think that it's enough. So the language is a huge barrier. I faced that, and that is the same in Spain, in Portugal. So nursing informatics in Spain, in Portugal, it's not so well developed as in other countries, in France as well. You know, it's some Latin culture we have.